Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're ready to upgrade your hair dryer, you need to check this one out from Maxodo. This hair dryer is compact, it's easy to use, and I love how it dries my hair. This hair dryer is really sleek, and it is easy to use and to hold while you're drying your hair. I'm really impressed because the filter that it comes with is magnetic. And it goes on with such powerful suction, you can even put it on while you have your hair dryer running. The hair dryer has 4 different settings, and it's easy to see which one that you're using because each of them turns a different color around the nozzle. They even included a cute little mirror, so if you take this hair dryer with you, you'll be able to check yourself out as you're drying your hair. It dries my hair really fast, and it keeps the moisture in. I'm really impressed because normally I am not a person that loves hair drying, but this hair dryer does not make my hair feel like it's drying out at all. I love the filter, and even with or without the filter, the hair dryer is really quiet. I have a cat that is scared of everything, and even when I'm running this hair dryer, she does not run away, really attesting to how quiet it is while you're using it. The hairdryer comes with a super long cord, making it easy to use. And if you are looking to upgrade your hairdryer, I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.